Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. You know the drill. If you're watching and recording, you can fast forward or stay here as we say our hellos. Good morning, Yanni. Good morning, Jana. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Ari. Good morning, Maria. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Jean. All right, it is time for us to start. And today, as we continue our exploration of radical happiness through loving kindness, we will look more closely at how to choose your phrases for this practice. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle, to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, both external and internal. Allow your breath to be soft and easy, very comfortable, without any forcing. Let your breath flow easily through your body, and you just notice how your body moves with the breath. Invite effortlessness into your body, into your mind, into your heart, softening from the inside out. Metta practice, loving kindness practice, is a 2,000-year-old practice that was designed to cultivate a boundless, warm-hearted feeling toward ourselves and others, the whole world. And while most of the concepts of loving kindness are timeless, of course, over all these centuries, our ideas of what brings us this warm-hearted feeling in the moment may have changed. You already know the classical traditional verse of loving kindness, which, by the way, differs a little bit since it's a translation and also from teacher to teacher. So let's put it this way. You already know the traditional verse that I prefer, which is, may you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you be happy, healthy, and at ease. May you feel deep, natural peace. And as we practice, I always say that you can modify this verse to something that resonates the most for you in the moment. I suggest that you experiment with various phrases and choose what is really meaningful to you, something that you feel deeply. And through this heartfelt investigation, this very personal investigation, you can discover what is truly significant for you. For example, some of the phrases that you may want to explore are, may I feel safe? May I be free from danger? May I have mental happiness? May I have physical happiness? May I feel protected from inner and outer harm? May I accept myself just as I am, so that your practice doesn't become very cumbersome, sustainable, easy, flowy. I suggest that you choose no more than 4 phrases that have deep meaning for you, and that becomes your loving kindness mantra, something that flows easily, that has a nice rhythm to it. So let's do the actual practice now, where you will experiment with your phrases. Take a moment to resettle. Do a quick scan of your body, softening once again from the inside out. Allow your breath to be soft and easy. And begin with a gentle reflection on the good within you and your wish to be happy. Notice how this reflection affects your physical state, your breath. how it affects your mind, your heart. And now start repeating your loving kindness mantra. The 4 phrases that you feel deeply. Once again, let me share my mantra, and then I'll be silent for a minute to give you space to choose yours. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel happy, healthy, and at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. Find your phrases now. Repeat them gently. And now let's experiment with something that may create even more ease for you to receive this loving kindness energy. Let's see if it works for you. Imagine that you are sitting in the center of a circle, surrounded by all the most loving and gentle, kind, generous people you have ever met or heard of, receiving their kindness and good wishes for yourself. Do it with gentle presence. Receive with gratitude. You deserve everything that they wish you, whatever it is you wish for yourself. Continue repeating the phrases, creating gentle pacing. There is no need to rush through them, no need to say them harshly. Remember, you are offering yourself a gift with each phrase. As usual, if your attention wanders or if difficult feelings or memories arise, try to let them go in the spirit of kindness and simply begin again, repeating your loving kindness mantra over and over, imagining that this loving energy is being sent to you from all those loving beings that are sitting in a circle surrounding you with gentle presence. At times you may feel totally unworthy of all this love. Don't worry about it, it's completely normal. If that happens, simply try to see all the conditions that limit your love for yourself. Breathe gently and accept that these feelings of unworthiness have come up. Remember the beauty of your wish to be happy, the beauty and simplicity of it. Remind yourself that you are worthy just the way you are. And once again, return to your metta phrases. And now repeat the mantra one more time and gently let it go. Take a nice breath in and out. And thank yourself for being here. Thank yourself for being present in this practice. I wish you a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.